Welcome to Sunjoe's SPX3000. With over 3,500 five-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Sunjoe is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9 liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Sunjoe's exclusive total stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX3000 comes equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX3000 is backed by Sunjoe's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full refund.
Introducing the 13-amp 1,500 PSI electric pressure washer from Greenworks tools. With the 13-amp universal motor, harness the cleaning power of water at 1,500 pounds per square inch and at a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. With the quick connect nozzles, easily and conveniently switch between the 25 and 40 degree tips in no time. Clean all around the house thanks to the 35-foot long GFCI electric cable. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. And the 20-foot reinforced non-marring hose prevents wear and tear while leaving no scuff marks on cleaned surfaces. The compact and lightweight design makes the 1,500 PSI pressure washer conveniently portable. With a 1-year warranty and Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, the 13-amp 1,500 PSI pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
From Generac comes the easiest way to clean with the 3,100 PSI electric start pressure washer with lithium-ion technology. With its one-touch push-button start and automatic choke, getting going is easier than ever. Similar to a power tool, the lightweight lithium-ion battery will provide up to 50 starts, so it's ready whenever you need it. And the battery can be removed and charged in a cradle charger for convenience. The power dial gun features 4 application settings for optimal cleaning performance and power, right at your fingertips, along with an inverted trigger with cushion grip for extended use. The onboard detergent tank makes using cleaning solutions hassle-free, allowing you to get a superior clean unlike any other while using detergents you trust. This new, innovative pressure washer is available in 2 easy-to-use models. And for faster cleaning results, the kitted model includes a 12-inch power broom that allows you to clean up to 4 times faster. From washing the driveway to prepping for a painting project, you've got the right tool with the electric start pressure washer from Generac. Generac, the power to clean whenever and wherever you need it.
The AR383 pressure washer is a top seller on Amazon, and for good reason. 1900 PSI at 1.5 gallons per minute means the 383 can blast through some of your toughest home cleaning projects. Safe, convenient, quiet electric power with AR's total stop system means the motor turns off when you release the trigger. Onboard attachments include a fully adjustable spray wand, from an intense 0-degree stream to a wide spray pattern with a simple twist. The included turbo nozzle provides maximum force in a spinning 0-degree spray to quickly break down some of the toughest caked-on dirt and grime in half the time. Tough stains? Fill the detergent bottle, twist on, and pull the trigger to spray on your favorite cleaning solution. Wrap it up with onboard hose storage, and easy roll wheels get you to your next project or garage. With a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, you can be confident you made the right choice. The AR383 Blue Clean Power.
Meet the all-new Karcher K1700. Electric and easy to use with the power and durability to get things done. Simply hook up, turn on, and wash. The K1700 generates 1700 PSI of true pressure cleaning power. Restore your home's exterior, and then clean your patio furniture and garage doors. The K1700 quickly cleans your car, your kids' play areas, and your house, deck, and driveway. Karcher. Cleaner. Quicker. The lightweight and portable K1700 has power for deep cleaning, an assortment of quick connect nozzles, a removable detergent tank, and durable all-metal hose connections. With oversized wheels, all on a heavy-duty frame. You operate the on-off switch by foot, and the quiet electric motor turns off when you stop spraying. When you're done, everything stores on board. The cord on the handle, and a handy storage bin holds the hose, spray gun, or whatever you need. With Karcher, you get the best power for your dollar and a superior 3-year best-in-class warranty. For even more convenience, you can add hose extensions, surface cleaners, wash brushes, or foaming soap applicators to give you even more versatility. Karcher pressure washers give you the power to complete projects quickly, so your home looks like new again. Karcher makes a difference.
The toughest outdoor cleaning projects require the most powerful electric pressure washer we make, the Stanley SHP2150. Class-leading 2,150 PSI for the power to clean almost anything. That's 43 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2150 PSI of power. Choose the SHP2150 because it represents the quality you see from Stanley. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. Spray down all of your patio areas, including your patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Buy yours today.
Powerhouse International. Thank you for your business. I'm here to show you how to use the Powerhouse International Platinum Edition pressure washer. Let's get started, but first, remember to wear the proper attire while pressure washing, such as eye protection and boots. To start, you'll need a garden hose, as well as a spigot. To attach this, put it under it and rotate counterclockwise. The next step is taking the other portion of your garden hose and hooking it up to the front of the pressure washer, making sure that there is a gasket on the inside. Then rotate counterclockwise the red portion until it sits tight. Then use your wrench to make sure that it is tight on the back part and rotate clockwise. Next, you'll want to attach the power cord. To do that, you can release it and unlatch it from the bottom, taking off the cord. With help helps a little if you take off the soap bottle. Pull it over the bottom. Release it off the top. You should plug it into an outlet with a GFCI. Next, we can attach the trigger gun to the washer. To do this, all you have to do is look for the tiny hole in the bottom, find the hose on the back of your washer, push down on the red button, insert until you hear a click, and release. To make sure it is connected, you can pull. If it does not come out, it is connected properly. Now, we'll put on the proprietary lance. To do this, twist the end of the trigger gun. For our first demonstration, we'll use the turbo nozzle. To attach this, you can push down the red button, slide on, and then release the red button. Our next step is to turn on the water fully. So go over to your spigot and turn it all the way to the left. Then, go over to the pressure washer and hold down the trigger until you hear all of the air escape and nothing but water comes out. The turbo nozzle will not spin until you turn the washer on. To fill the soap bottle, all you need to do is rotate the head counterclockwise and pull up. We recommend Dawn because it's environmentally friendly, but you can use almost any cleaning agent. Here I'm going to demonstrate how the turbo nozzle does against this on the concrete. Now we're going to change to the spinning patio cleaner. Push the red button and release. Then grab the spinning patio cleaner. Press down on the red button. Attach and release. And then rotate as needed. As you can see, the spinning patio cleaner makes quick work of any job. Now we're going to use the soap bottle. You can disattach it by pushing the red button and stowing the spinning patio cleaner away. And then taking the soap bottle off by pressing the red button, repressing the red button, reattaching, and letting go of the button. You can also change how much soap you use by the knob on the top. I recommend using the soap bottle before using the spinning patio cleaner for tougher jobs or for cleaning cars. Then to reattach the universal lance, insert it into the trigger gun and rotate the end of the trigger gun clockwise. Next, we'll demonstrate the watering tip, which is the black one. This is used for watering plants, especially the ones that are up high and tough to reach. Next, you can release the black tip by pulling back on the copper sleeve, pulling out the tip, and changing it with a new one by pulling back, inserting, and letting go. Now we're going to test the 40-degree nozzle. Next, we're going to move on green nozzle, the 25 degree. We're going to change now to the 15 degree tip. Be changing to the 0 degree tip, but fair warning, this can cause damage to people and property. It's that strong. That concludes our demonstration of the new Powerhouse International pressure washer. Thank you for your business.